If you would like your students to be able to use AI artwork generators in the classroom, I want to show you a way that you can do that today. You will need a Canva teacher account and to link that account to your Google Classrooms. Once you've done that, you want to create a design. Canva has tons of templates that you can choose from. I stuck with a classroom poster size. Once you have your blank doc pulled up, you then want to create the template that your students are going to be working in. My class wrote narrative stories, and I had them create a cover for their story as well as scenes for each of the major parts of their plot. When students have this template, well, there are a couple ways that you can share it with your students. The first is to click share and then share it directly to your Google Classroom. And the second way is to copy a link here and push it out to your class. You just need to make sure that you give your class access to that link. Then, once your students are on the assignment, they're going to go to Apps and Magic Media, where they are going to be able to describe the artwork that they would like to create. When they're happy with the type of AI artwork that has been generated, they can simply click on it, drag it into their template, and they're good to go. They have created AI artwork for a story that they have written. They get to watch their stories come to life. When students are done with their assignments, there will be a button at the top for them that says send to teacher, and you have the ability to review and leave feedback on their artwork.